Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the issue when your Cash App balance is not showing up or appears blank. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First of all, you need to make sure that you're running the latest version of the Cash App. Using an outdated version can cause bugs, glitches, or balance display issues. Open the App Store on your device and tap on the search icon in the bottom right corner. Now search for Cash App. If you see an update button next to the app name, simply tap on it and wait for the update to finish. Once the app is updated, open Cash App again and check your balance. In many cases, this step alone will fix the problem. But if your money is still not showing up, don't worry, move on to the next solution. If updating the app didn't work, the next thing you should try is clearing the app data by offloading the app. Go to your device settings, scroll down, and tap on General. From there, select iPhone Storage. Now scroll down or search for Cash App and tap on it. On this screen, tap Offload App, then tap again to confirm. This will remove the app, but keep your data safe. After a few moments, you'll see a Reinstall App button. Tap on it to reinstall Cash App. Once the app is reinstalled, log back into your account and check your balance again. This method often fixes display and syncing sect. If your balance is still not showing after trying both solutions, the final and most reliable option is to contact Cash App's official support team. Open Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Support, then choose Something Else. From there, tap on Cash Card. Scroll down and select Contact Support. Now tap Not About a Transaction, and on the next screen, tap Chat at the bottom to start a conversation with a support representative. You can explain your issue by typing something like, "Hello team, I've noticed that my Cash App balance is not showing correctly. The balance section appears blank or displays an incorrect amount. I've already updated the app and reinstalled it, but the issue still persists. Could you please help me resolve this problem?" The Cash App representative should be able to investigate the issue and help restore your balance display. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.